I love talking about customer avatars. So tell me what the ideal customer profile is for this product, or show me the product and I will narrow that down.
It's this one.
How can I help?
I don't know. I think I have a question about him because he would like to sell his brand to old male, like a middle class male, that plays pickleball paddle. But I just want your insight or your opinion on when you have a customer avatar, and I mean, maybe in reality and maybe with all the TikTok traffic that is not like that old. I mean, it's mostly young people. So what do you think it's better to have like this expectation of your customer or not to be like so, married with this expected customer avatar?
All right. I love talking about customer avatars. So tell me what the ideal customer profile is for this product, or show me the product and I will narrow that down.
I will show you the product right now. It's this one. It's a high-end pickleball paddle that we have, and it's mostly like aimed at male pickleball players to intermediate to pro that would like to spend his time doing this, and it's like a 35 to 50 male.
Not a 35-year-old male. That's not who uses paddle balls. It's going to be 55-year-old women. And so, and I know this because that's who showed up in my tennis courts, in my neighborhood. So I would showcase an attractive older female, probably page 2 or 3 there. That looks like we've actually got it, which is good, right? So the one thing I don't like about the specific shot here is that her eyes aren't making contact with the camera. But that is the ICP right there. You're going to want to have a customer avatar representative of that. Do not show any males, only show older females.
Okay.
There's not like a lot more to narrow down besides that in this particular one. This one's so straightforward. It's an athletic woman who's older, who has bad knees, that's looking for exercise, right? You're not going to show a fat person, obviously. You're going to show an athletic person. You're going to show the aspirational outcome of what they're trying to accomplish. But it's harder to narrow this one down. Like there's probably empty nester comes to mind, probably homemaker or almost retired comes to mind, but there's not like a 3-time divorced truck driver equivalent on this particular one. There's not a specific subset of groups. This particular ICP is a little bit broader, and that's probably okay, right? But if we were talking about toothbrushes and we were talking about ideal customer profile, we wouldn't say everybody with teeth, right? So you would need to narrow it down. If I was going to sell a unicorn toothbrush for my 5-year-old daughter who was just with us.
Now you're 5 years old? Is that right?
Oh.
Yeah. Say hi, Astrid.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Then we have a super specific niche. We're looking for girls between the ages of 4 and 8, and they're the ones that are going to use a unicorn toothbrush. And that's going to be a no-brainer, and that's how we narrow it down. But with pickleball, it's athletic older women smiling, looking at the camera, and that will be enough. You don't need to go any more specific than that. I think it's good enough.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for also reviewing this image tag too.
All right, my pleasure.